Okay, so to get started, you're going to be working with a ruler and a pencil today. So we're going to be using the wooden rulers, and we need to find 0. There is no mark on the paper on the ruler that says 0, but it's right here. It's this first number. We're going to line that number up, or that first line up with the top of our page, and our page is facing horizontal. That means it's longer than it's tall. Then you're going to mark every odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay. When you've done that, you're going to slide your paper up, move your ruler down, don't rotate anything, and put your ruler at the end of the page, line up this 0 with the end of the page again, and mark odd numbers again. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Then we're going to take our ruler and we're going to turn it this way, turn it vertically. You're going to put your pencil on the top dot and line your ruler up with the bottom of the page, the other dot. Now hold this tight with your non-dominant hand, and with your dominant hand, 2 fingers, draw a line. It should be barely visible. You'll know you're doing it right. We're going to do that all the way down. Make sure you're drawing light. So the reason we're drawing really, really light is that you have to be able to erase this later. If you can't erase it and we can still see grid lines at the end of your drawing, you'll be disqualified from rodeo. In fact, you won't even be considered to go. So it's really important you do it right. All right, so your first one looks like this. All the lines are lightly drawn. Now we're going to take it and we're going to rotate this vertically, okay? And we're going to do the same thing. So again, you're placing the edge of your paper at the edge of the ruler here at that first line. Line it up at the top. And we're not worried about any of these other lines, just the same process again. But this time, instead of marking odd numbers, we're going to mark a 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch is 1/2 of 1. So that's this first big line right here. So you're going to make a mark at the top. You're going to slide your ruler down to the end of the page and make a mark at a 1/2 inch at the bottom, and then connect them together. Remember, draw with 2 fingers, really, really light. Okay, so now this line right here, where we did 1/2 inch all the way down, that's considered the edge of your page now. So we're going to line that first line up on that line, and we're going to mark even numbers now. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Slide your ruler down to the end of the page. Line up with that 1/2 inch mark again at the 0. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And lightly connect them together. Pencil on the top dot. Line up with the bottom dot. 2 fingers. Draw light. You should barely be able to see those grid lines. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you're finished. If your paper is horizontal, it's going to go this way, and you'll do letters in this little bitty spot right here. So this top spot at the top would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The side on the side right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're doing vertical, then your paper is going to go like this. And you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G down the side. And you can put your name down on one of the smaller borders, okay? Don't write it in here because this is all picture space. All right, good luck, guys. Let's make some rodeo.